Okay, so a couple things, like what exactly is going on here. The things that you're going to find, the first thing we have is the idle. That stands for the integrated development environment. That's what allows us to do the coding, allows us to make this stuff happen. In this case, it allows us to code in Python. And then we can create code and execute the code with whatever we want in any kind of software. And so we're going to be impacting Minecraft in our coding and in the software that we're writing. And then what we've done is we've used a function. And so this post to chat right here is a function. And a function is just a piece of code that tells the computer to perform a very specific task. In this case, we want to post hello Minecraft world. We could do another one just within Python itself. If I were to go here and go to new, we could just run a very simple one, and we could just type in print just like this. And when we run this module, it's going to ask us to save print. And let's see. Oh, I forgot my quotations. All right, let's try this again here. You can see down here, you can see down here that it just printed the word hello in Python. So this is no different than what we've just done with Minecraft, except for we just had it post over into the contact or into the chat box of Minecraft. So a function does a very specific task. It does one thing. And what we did here in green, you see the quotation marks there for the hello Minecraft world. That's what's called a string. And so encoding a string is text you want the computer to display inside the brackets with quotation marks around it. There's no coding command. It's just what's going to be shared. And so we've talked now about function, and we've talked a little bit about string. When I was running this one earlier, when I didn't have the quotes in it, if I go back here and remove these quotes and just did the print hello, sometimes you're going to run into this, all right? And you're going to see that I'm going to have what's called a syntax. You can see the red words down there, and it's telling me that there's something wrong. And so syntax is a set of rules that the code has to work, and it's going to check that. And if it's not valid, it's going to pop up in red that something isn't working. And so it's making sure to see if the communication is happening. Think of it like sometimes when you're talking to your parents or a friend and there's an argument, it's because there's miscommunication. This is happening with the code that you're writing and the Python, the syntax there. And so then what you have to do is debug, and we're going to talk about good ways to debug your programs here in just a little bit using a rubber duck. And so just to wrap this up very quickly, you can see here, it's telling me that hello is not defined because it's trying to read it as a code command, but as soon as I put it in quotes, it's going to read it as a string, which means it's just not going to do anything with it, and then boom, it's going to print it there in blue. So what we have, very basic, is functions and strings. And so it's a function, once again, is a small section of code that does a specific task. And then once you've created it, you can use it over and over again. And a string refers to the data information entered as text. And so as we went back to our Minecraft code, what we've done is we've imported this, our Minecraft Pi as Minecraft. Then we are creating in Minecraft's world, we're going to post to the chat. We're just basically creating a connection right here from Python to Minecraft, and we're going to post to the chat. That's a function, and that's why when we run it, we get over here in our Minecraft world, the hello Minecraft world, as you can see right there. It's making that stuff happen. All right, just a little explanation of what's going on. Now let's dive into some more work.